Alright, this is jumping on a bed blindfolded, as you can see from the screen. Note, I cannot actually see out of this. Am I on the bed, seriously?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I'm scared!
Hey, tie it.
Oh.
You should. Okay, you're good.
Am I on the bed?
Yeah, you're on the bed.
Alright. Oh, this is scary.
Jump, jump,
Oh gosh.
jump, jump, jump. Move around a bit while you're jumping.
Oh,
Move around, move around. No, to the left.
oh,
No, start now. Oh, oh.
oh.
I hit him with the tennis jacket. Don't tell him.
Oh. Ow. Okay, stop. I need to go scare my brother. Let's go. This will scare him something. Yeah, he might hit me. I don't want him to. He might hit me. You know what? I really don't appreciate that.
That isn't very a smart thing to do. You're going to terrify the kid.
Alright, we play a prank on Kyle here. Okay, just don't tell him at all. Alright, get baby powder and put it in here. First, I gotta find the baby powder. Okay, stay here, man. Stay there. This room's way messier than my room. Okay, here goes. This one's scare Kyle with rap. Oh my gosh, you might figure that out now. Alright, now if I turn off the lights, that light, if that's on, everything that's electronic in here works. It turns on. If it's on and that light's off, it won't work. It's pure genius. Okay, cameraman, turn the light off. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. It is plugged in, and it's on. It's on high. Okay. Let's see what. Alright, I'm dressed in black, and Kyle won't see me. I'm hoping it'll be funny. Okay, I've got the thing right there, pointing at him. So if he turns the light on, he's gonna get soaked. Alright, let's see what happens.
I can jump upstairs. Mario has a new special.